Are you living in Germany and wondering how to make most of your time here financially? What if we told you that you can start building your long-term wealth today, even as an expat? Investing in a rented property in Germany might sound complex at first, but here's the truth. It's more accessible than you think. You don't need to be a German citizen, you don't need to speak German perfect, and you definitely don't need to wait until you feel settled. With our help, we break it down for you. The legal basics, tax perks, financing tips, and the smartest strategies for your financial success in investing in real estate, tailored for you as an expat. So, if you're ready to make your money work while you're working abroad, follow us and take this first step toward your German investment journey. I'm looking forward to you.